Lance is about to bring it around the corner for the first time with the white wheels to complete the car. It's what you guys asked for. Oh my god, it's complete. It is finally complete. It has the white wheels it needed. Oh boy. So one of the largest things I feel like I slack with for the caliber of cars I have that sit in this garage is pretty much how pretty the garage is itself. And today we're gonna try and change that. So we're gonna be saying goodbye to all of this exposed shelving. I'm gonna be replacing it with much nicer bespoke cabinets. And then I'm also gonna be replacing this whole section right here with a brand new toolbox. None of this is sponsored so far. I just feel like I was in real dire need of upgrading this whole area because this is kind of like my studio. This is where I probably do the most filming in the entire house. But with that said, if there are people that want to sponsor to make this build crazier and better, like some crazier hexagon LED lights or some epoxy floors, just hit me up and we could do something together. The garage honestly feels so much more empty now just with covering all that up. And I didn't expect to see how glossy these things came out to be. I mean, you have a full mirrored finish almost with peeping the cars and me. I've already packed in everything back into these cabinets, and I gotta say I'm most proud about this one, the detail bay. So we got all of our Maguires, just rows on rows on rows, all that you can need. Here's the best part. Ready, ready, ready? Soft closing cabinets right there. That's like fancy kitchen stuff in my garage. But overall, this came out really nice. I mean, I really couldn't be happier with how these cabinets are. The fact that they measure out perfectly and they just make this garage feel a lot more empty. Now I gotta clean up all the rest of it. But let me know in the comments what you guys want to see me do next. Boys, it is time. I present the Vans Harlequin shoe. I'd say it matches pretty well. It has the colors of the Harlequin, like a lot closer than my actual car even does. Do I just go up? Do you guys have the 11 for the Harlequin shoe? All right, stay tuned, boys. This is the Audi R8 V5. It's got the clear stripe. Bro, we should just spec out the car based on whatever shoe we see here next. Yeah.
Test fit.
So, as soon as I revealed the livery for this car, the first thing that I knew, and you guys easily quickly picked up on it, was that as beautiful as these BBS FIRs are, they just don't fit this perfectly. With this much of a blasting pastel bright color combo that we have right here, this champagne bronze just ends up looking a little bit too dirty. So I ended up doing the Liberty. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna look for some white wheels because white is the color to complete all of this. I have merch. We do in fact have Harlequin merch already created. Are these wheels on the car gonna be the wheels that I'll actually be putting on the real life car? Who knows? But without further ado, I will reveal what we ended up getting. This is a lucky find. Behold! I don't even know if it's surprising anymore at this point. I feel like everyone already, like I have now succumbed to having enough Japanese wheels that people should have expected it. But yes, these are Volk Rays TE37. These are Ultra M specs for an Audi R8, 5x112, technically also for Lamborghini Gallardo, McLaren, or any other VW related car or something like that. I actually did show you guys raised boxes like several videos ago. I'm gonna leave it up in the air if the wheels that were in those raised boxes are these wheels right here, or if there's literally a whole nother set of raised wheels in boxes that are sitting in my house right now. You guys could figure that out. These are what we got. It's actually crazy because these are just like enlarged versions of those, even though to the raised enthusiasts, they are entirely different models of TE37s. This is exactly what a Harlequin car needs, is some blocky white wheels. So let's get straight to it. Things are about to be chaotic. I gotta move the car, put it on ramps. It's about to be loud. Off the car, honestly, these wheels look nicer. The champagne finish and just how much more sharp edged and everything they are with the holes in the spokes and whatnot.
BBS.
But on the car, I think we'll like these more. Imagine they're just not the right bolt pattern. That would be really unfortunate.
You're gonna leave the space down?
Well, they fit.
Damn.
Woo! Actually, they fit. Hella nice. Oh my gosh. Just keep in mind, people, this is the cleanest these wheels will ever be. A supercar with, you know, higher grade brakes. These boys are gonna get dirty quick. Bro, look how strong I am. Just.
We got 2 jack stands.
Dude, I'm literally a jack right now. I'll just go freaking. Yeah, I'm gonna just be playing around, like swinging it right now, and all of a sudden it's just gonna. Oh! Holy crap. Dude, with a 10 mil up here, this is ice.
I don't think that's a 10 mil, I think that's like a 5 mil.
Oh yeah, it is like a 5, yeah.
But like,
oh my god, is that too good? I don't know, we'll see. Well, the FIR with their tires were already like, already
cut.
taking off some wrap, so gotta retuck it. Bro, this is gonna make all the difference. Now the FIR looks hella dirty. It looks caked, it looks atrocious.
You should just run it like this half and half.
Can't compete with white wheels on how like stark they are.
I'll just wait until you're done with gold rush.
True. Justin came out from his freaking hibernation.
It's starting to look more and more like a toy every day.
Dude, it gets more childish as we keep adding on stuff to it.
It looks good.
It looks so good. I somehow found a TE37 for my Audi R8. It just never ends.
I feel like this was one of your biggest impulse buys. You just kind of...
Dude, this was the biggest impulse buy.
Just sent it.
It was so impulsive. It wasn't even on the pre-planned merch.
Should I close my eyes? I'll close my eyes.
Close your eyes. You like looks at the skyline. Alright. Peep them.
Wait, this one or this one?
Well, they're both on. Front and rear.
Woo! Oh, damn. Oh, wow. They really fill the... Oh, what the hell?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, we did garage renovations since I last saw you.
It just like fills the... I don't know, like feels like it fills the wheel up so much more. It's just like so
it does.
Much more reflective. The TE family out here.
We do. It's funny, TEs are like the one thing, I guess, are oversaturated just because everyone on the internet buys them.
Yeah.
But in reality, if you try and find like a real set of TEs in like your local town or something like that, they're still like, I rarely see them locally around because they're expensive, I won't lie.
They're just social.
It's just that like, yes, a lot of influencers like Blitz 03s and TEs and, you know, work wheels. Right where my finger is, that like edge is so close. I mean, there's no more, dude, that's insane. That's so wicked. We were just talking about how caliper clearance is one of the weirdest things on cars because everything else fluctuates on a car. You're always going through different bumps and bounces throughout the road, so suspension, things change, fitment, alignment, rubbing, all these things change, but the one thing that will never move, even to the bare millimeter, is your wheel to caliper clearance. So even if it is like a hairline crack, that's gonna be what it will forever be, and that's good enough. That's all it needs to be. It'll never change. We need some air. That's yeah, that's pretty low. just a little bit low. So life lesson. If you ever buy your new set of wheels and it comes with tires, make sure you fill your tires with air and they're all at good levels first before you mount them on the car. That way you don't essentially have to do 2 full cycles of wheel swaps in one night. Because this is what we find ourselves here at the Shell air station doing right now. Imagine just walking out of your gas station and this dude's out here just filling up his raised to E37 Ultra M specs. Oh, do you have the little cap?
It's in the center cap.
Oh, I was penetrating it. That's so sick. These things came stacked. Day 2, we got the wheels fully on the car with air in them this time. And I've been spending all morning, I print out some silver Volk Racing little decals and I pretty much inlaid them onto where the stamping is right here. So that's just my little touch on making it look more like an authentic Volk wheel, even though it's technically disrupting the authenticity by adding on my own customized sticker onto it. They just look too much like reps without any like branding or anything on them. And I don't know, I like it. I like having like one spoke at least having something on there. So we added that. And then before the car goes out for shipment, I gotta do the one thing I've been meaning to do this whole time. I knew this from the beginning when I came up with this idea that I was gonna do this. And some of you guys even picked up on it and said I should do it in the comments. We gotta add Volkswagen logos to the front and the rear. I actually looked up on Amazon buying Volkswagen emblems, but the way I guess they mount on Volkswagens are like, they're all like 3D in the back. They're not like flush and flat, so you can't just like double side tape them onto a hood. They have like all these like screw in bolt areas. Either way, we're just gonna go with the decal, and I think a matte black one is gonna look pretty much like, it's gonna be like a race car decal where race cars only use stickers and not badges. The grille has a center hexagon. It all comes down to a center hex. So I mean, this has to be the middle. Wait, is this not the... Wait a second. Oh, is this? Oh, I guess this is the center. Okay, I was just one hexagon off. My bad. Damn, flight tracker app.
We got the president flying over or something.
Dude, that thing's huge.
Nasty's gonna be mad he's not out here.
That's sick. Yeah, Dustin would be freaking out right now. Oh shoot. Just went above my house. Why does this look like this belongs here? This looks factory. This doesn't look wrong at all. There's gonna be people that know this, and then they're gonna see that, they're gonna point and laugh, they're gonna understand the joke. There's gonna be people that don't know anything about this. In fact, even what the car is, they're just gonna automatically assume it's a Volkswagen. And then there's gonna be that really slim genre of people that don't know what a Harlequin is, but know that this is an R8, and they're gonna be like, why did you put a Volkswagen logo on your Audi? Voila. I present my Volkswagen R8. So lucky that my calipers are red on this car, because if they were like orange or purple, it would just throw the entire thing off.
You should take this to a Volkswagen dealership and ask them how much for it.
I should. It's badged now. We're down badging today. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. I feel like the color is just too distracting from the car itself now. Like, people stare at this thing, they probably don't even acknowledge the fact that they just saw an R8. It's just, they just saw this Lego blob color mess. Cameron hasn't seen the wheels. That's what we did.
Oh, dude, those look so good.
Yo, was that your genuine, or was that your
No, I mean, dead serious.
I haven't never seen it. I haven't ever heard this man yell like that before.
Well, I wasn't expecting white wheels. Oh, dude.
Not just any white wheels.
Now it looks like a Lego car in a way.
I know, it was funny. I did. It was like, one, it's like, okay, the car needs white wheels, so we're just gonna do white wheels. But also with doing that, I'm like playing myself by making it even more child's toy and more Lego, Duplo, McDonald's, anything from mid-90s children's related toy.
That ain't no Volkswagen. What the hell is that? The badges look real from a distance.
They kind of do.
I know. Well, this just about wraps up everything that we've done to the car. It is time for transport. She's getting loaded up right now, and she's going to Los Angeles as the first stop. We got our fresh Harlequin wrap done by Gorilla Mad. We got our white wheels. We got our full titanium custom exhaust by Stay So Performance. And we actually have, this one's crucial. I didn't even get to tell you guys about this, but we have a full front windshield PPF done at Zadart Rentals. Stuff like that is mandatory to have protected on your car when going on a long rally road trip, because a lot of the other supercars with their Pirellis and Michelins, they be kicking up rocks right in front of your car everywhere you go. Have you ever dealt with like Aventadors and like Lambos that just barely fit in here?
I just moved the Lamborghini Aventador Ultimate.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Was it white?
It was, I think it was white.
Because
like
we just saw one of them driving around yesterday.
Yeah,
It was
there's
really
only like, I think they sold like 1,500 or like 500 or something ever made.
Yeah.
Like 500 grand, but I just took it straight to Lamborghini at Bellevue.
Oh,
Yeah,
damn.
I've seen everything. Like, we just moved the Ferrari Mezza, the one-seater that's like $2 million. Took it straight from.
Oh, like the Monza?
The Monza.
Yeah.
And took it straight to the airport to go back to Italy.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
They're giving us a hard time because we didn't have like the original documentation or whatever. Then we had to go back and run laps, but we eventually got everything. Yeah, I've seen everything from like Model A's to 2023 like unreleased cars, crazy collections and stuff. It's pretty cool, but I've been doing it for like 5 years now.
Yeah.
I'm kind of ready to try something else. I really just want to run my own business. So.
And just like that, she out of here. I thought about like maybe making each center cap a different color to go with the car, but you don't really touch TE37 center caps. In fact, most TEs don't even run center caps. So just keeping them simple. I think keeping the wheels simple actually helps the car. And you just, as messy as it is, you just don't want to overcomplicate the already messy.